We are dealing with some very heavy rain now moving through the area. Flash flood watches have been posted for all those areas. They're shaded in green until midnight tonight. And we have some really rough stuff happening right now across sections of Baltimore County and Harford County. This is where we have a flood warning in place through 11:30 here tonight. You see those areas lit up in green across northern Baltimore and northern Harford County. Very heavy rain, a lot of lightning coming down. We do have some road closures to tell you about. Route 136 between 440 and Deerfield Road is closed, and Conowingo Road at Trap Road also closed. This is due to high water in these areas. Some spots in this zone have already picked up 2 to 3 inches of rain. Further to the south, we're also contending with some heavier bouts of rain. You can see it near Oliver Beach and extending up towards the Perry Hall area, and also getting in on some thunder boomers across the eastern shore. Definitely going to slow you down if your travels take you towards Ocean City here this evening. Kelly?
Honoring Senator John McCain.